Bava, please stop eating so much candy.
I love candy so much.
If you don't stop, you'll get sick.
I'll be fine, Mom.
Mom, your son is eating too much sugar.
I'll stop after this ice cream.
You need to be a more strict mom.
I'll try my best, doctor.
I want 3 donuts and a large smoothie.
That's a lot of sugar.
I can never get enough. I don't feel so good. Doctor, why don't my legs work anymore?
You ate too much sugar. It will get much worse if you don't stop.
I will never give up sugar. Doctor, please save me.
I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do. You will die in 10 minutes.
I should have listened to you.
Like if he shouldn't have ignored me.